folks, welcome to this George's Transport Adventures. Today we are off to Oxenholme to meet simOntrains on his return to Scotland. So today's plan is we're going to be travelling on the Ember coach for Kinross to Haymarket, 900 to Glasgow Central, the 0940 down to Oxenholme, meeting Simon at Oxenholme. So we're getting this old steam train passing, all going well. Then we're getting the 12:17, I believe, up to Haymarket, then up to Dundee. So I'd like to welcome you to this George's Transport Adventure, and hopefully it's snowing outside, so hopefully everything goes okay. Good morning folks, we're just currently in the motor. We're just waiting for the bus now, it's on 20 minutes late, so hopefully we can get a 900 when we get to Edinburgh. But, so our train leaving Glasgow is 9:40, so I was wanting to be there at 8 o'clock to get to the Sentinel, so even if we're at 9 o'clock now, so let's see. Right folks, we're now on the coach. We've been told we're only going as far as Ingleson Park and Ride, so just basically wait to see fuller action when we get there. Right folks, we're now inside RSB Gogurburn. Ember got terminated at Ingleton Park and Ride. We were put on the tram, but we had to pay for the tram. Ended up getting off here at Gogurburn to walk to this bus stop where I get 900 now. folks, I've just made the 0940 service for Oxenholme.
Hi there, can I get you any breakfast this morning?
Yes, please. I would like to do this one, sir.
Right folks, let's have some breakfast. We're currently on 1:10 I believe it is, just between Killock and Carstairs. Got a speed restriction, so yeah. Thank God we made us just some breakfast, so I'm pretty happy. Hey folks, we're just walked through standard premium. Going to be walking through standard class now. Just came out the first class. So folks, we're not too far away from Oxenholme, around about 15 minutes late, so it's going to be really tight to get a photo of the Steam Special coming past. So fingers crossed, but look at the lovely day down the Lake District. It's a little amazing. Anyway folks, I'll have a wee speak to you a wee bit later. Right folks, I've walked down to coach A for Alpha, got myself a bottle just for getting off train as well here at Oxenholme. It's literally neck and neck with the steamer just now, so that's why I've came to the back as well. But we should also be meeting my good friend simOntrains here at Oxenholme. That's the town of Kendal down there. So yeah, be you soon guys. Oh and yeah folks, this is 398122, 11 cars. So we're just getting off the train right now. Alright folks, we're now at Oxenholme. We're here with Mr. Simon. Here, simOntrains. Got anything to say, Simon?
Hello.
So, we're just waiting for the 12:22 back to Edinburgh. I came here to spend 40 minutes in England to go back up because he's escorted across the border. As you would have just seen, we have just left Lockerbie. Still with Simon, he's invaded.
Yeah.
So we're just heading up towards Haymarket. Next stop, we initially stopped at Lockerbie, but I think it's TPE or something to do with that. But anyway, he's drinking iron, but I'm drinking Coke, so got to go over there. Right folks, that's me and Simon getting off at Haymarket now. He's not at the door like he normally used to be like. I wasn't standing up at Kirk Newton, was I? Just get off the train now anyway.
Please stand clear of platform edge. Fast train approaching. The next train at platform 4 will be the 14:33 service to Glasgow Central. Calling at Whitford, Queensland, Whitfield, Edinburgh, Hilton, Birmingham, Scotland, Motherwell, Leeds, Oxford, York, Hartford, Welland, Aberdeen, Oldham, Glasgow, Uddingston, and Glasgow Central. Please take the Warnball Green carriages. The train landing at platform 2 is the 14:34 service to Aberdeen. Please take the Warnball line carriages.
Right folks, we're just going over the Tay Bridge. That's Simon in action. He's about to get off. We're headed to Dundee, we're going up to Montefief. when I get back to Dundee, I'll be finishing the video there. So, just on the Tay Bridge, so we'll be in Dundee in a few minutes. Right folks, we're about to head to Montefief. Simon pointed out something else. That is a French wagon, SNCF.
Yeah.
So,
If it's not French, it could be Belgium.
Belgium, whatever he says.
Yeah.
This is Motherwell. This train is for
Right folks, we're leaving Montefief in a few minutes to Dundee. I'll finish this on the train because it's getting cold, so when I get to Dundee I can send it. Right folks, like to thank you all for watching this video today. Say thanks, Simon.
Thanks.
Thanks. Anyway
for
folks,
having me.
aye. So I'm going to finish this now. Like, thank you for all watching George's Transport Adventures. We started off the day in the snow. Just made the train about 3 minutes in Glasgow. Down towards Oxton Home, met him and Richard Hartley. Sorry, pal.
Hardity.
Hardley.
Hardity. Yeah.
Hardity. Okay, anyway. Then back up in standard class to Haymarket, first class to Dundee, but actually I had an emergency brake application on arrival to the Tay Bridge, which was strange. Anyway, got to Dundee, changed here for Moneyfaith, done Moneyfaith now, head back to Dundee, and I'll be finishing this video because I'm getting picked up and he's going to Glasgow.
Yes.
My video will probably up before his, so
yeah, most likely.
I don't have a schedule like Simon, you see. But anyway folks, hope you've enjoyed this video and I'll speak to you in another video. Thanks.